As the power of AI technology advances at an unprecedented pace, a crucial question emerges. How do we ensure that AI remains accountable and aligned with our values? Generative AI-driven versatile chatbots equipped with exceptional language generation capabilities heralds a new era of artificial intelligence. While its potential applications and benefits seem boundless, its deployment has sparked the AI ethics debate, fueled by the fear of its misuse to spread misinformation and engage in social engineering attacks.
At Hitachi R&D, we believe that through continued research and development and collaborative efforts involving AI developers, policymakers, and experts from various fields, we can mitigate risks associated with AI language tools. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI, we can unlock innovation and achieve outcomes that were previously unimaginable.
Exemplifying its commitment to AI ethics, Hitachi has developed its comprehensive set of AI ethical principles, ensuring and placing AI ethics into practice across the planning, societal implementation, maintenance, and management phases. At the heart of these principles also lie multifarious items to be addressed across the AI lifecycle.
Let us embark on a journey where humans and AI coexist, united by ethical principles and a shared commitment to responsible AI governance.